Alright, in this video I'll be taking Tokyo street train car called Toden Arakawa Line. So street trains in general in Japan is becoming more of a rare thing. There's only about 20 of them, and there's 2 of them in Tokyo. This is one of them, and there's actually one more called the Tokyo Sakura Line. So the initial video plan was for me to go to the first station, which is here, all the way to Waseda, the last station. But I thought that would be kind of boring. So I decided to get off at some stations in between to show you guys around. So this train line offers a 1-day pass where you can get on and off as much as you want. And it's only 400 yen, which is crazy cheap. So I'm gonna go get that right now at this place called Hiroba Omoide Kansai. はい、すいません、1000円でお願いします。
もしよろしかったらうちの電車のパンフレットです。
はい、ありがとうございます。
日付を運転手に見せてご乗車ください。
はい、すいません。
はフリーで結構です。
はい、わかりました。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。Okay, so I just got the 1-day ticket here, so I can get on and off as much as I want today, and I got a pamphlet as well. Oh, this is so cool. I think everyone has to enter through the same entrance, which is at the front, and everyone has to get off at this one. So it's kind of like a bus. So Toden started in 1911 when Tokyo bought the street train system from the Tokyo Railway Company. At its peak in 1943, Toden was Tokyo's main way of getting around, carrying 1.93 billion passengers every single day, with 41 routes across the city. But after the war, as Japan's economy grew, more people could afford cars. The streets became busier because of that, and the street trains had a hard time going around. So Toden decided to shut down the tracks. But local residents actually fought to keep Toden alive. On top of that, there were some lines where most of the route is not on the street, and there were some routes where it's hard to replace by bus. So because of all of these factors, Toden decided to keep 2 routes and combine them into one, and that became the Toden Arakawa Line. Here at Arakawa Shakomai Station, and over here on the right side there are some of the old street trains that you can go inside for free. Toden Omoide Hiroba. This only opens during the weekends. That's interesting, from 10 to 4 p.m. and it's free to go in. So I'm gonna go to this one first because it seems less crowded. Okay, what surprised me the most that 96 people can fit in here.
Change to Nippori Toneri Liner. 商業停止号の申し込みをおいでの方はこちらが便利です。また警報機が鳴り始めたら電車が通り過ぎるまで。さっき子供がちっちゃい子やったらね、高さもできないけど前後ろでいいから。プラネット前です。加藤産婦人科医においでの方はこちらが便利です。千代田線、京成線ご利用の方はお乗り換えで白ドアとなりますので、ご順に車内の中ほどへお進みください。次は町屋駅前です。The next stop is Machiya Eki Mae. Change to Chiyoda Line and Keisei Line. 次は荒川7丁目、荒川7丁目、幼児教育、主産、学習の黒川学園前です。お弁当、お料理など慶長料理の角の店をおいでの方はこちらが便利です。お降りの際はお足元にご注意ください。The next stop is Arakawa.
Okay, now I'm gonna go on the second train. What's the difference between the first one and the second one? There are less seats. I think there was like 42 seats on the first train. There's 21 here. Oh, that's so cool. What's also really nice about this place, it's really peaceful, relatively quiet, and seeing the grandparents taking their grandkids here, it's pretty wholesome. Okay, so I got off at Asukayama station. So I'm about at the half point mark to Waseda station. And this is the only station so far where the street train actually goes through the road. God, it's like, it must be chaotic for the train driver to go through all this. There's also a bridge over there, so I will go up there to show you the view from the top too. Okay, so I'm at the top right now, and what's interesting is these cars just casually go through this street train track. And then right behind it, there's the street train. I thought you're supposed to not drive through here because that's where the street train goes, but this might actually be a funny thumbnail. I've never seen this before. The street train is just blending along with the car. It's like so packed over here, but when you go to the other side, it's like empty, completely empty over here. Free the street train. Over there. Oh, and then there's the other one. Okay, I was like, oh, the street train is here again, but it was the bus. So this area is right actually next to the Asukayama Park, which I went to a couple months ago for a YouTube video. And it's a really nice train view spot, so you should go there if you have the chance. So I got off at Higashi Ikebukuro 4丁目. I didn't know this train goes through the Ikebukuro area, so I thought I would just get off here and actually just walk around because I haven't been around this side of Ikebukuro before. And I'm planning to walk maybe around 2 stations towards Waseda and then get on the train again to take the train for the last time. This will be a little bit off topic, but I went to the annual health check yesterday and I measured my height and weight. My height stayed the same, but I gained about 2 to 3 kilograms compared to last year. And I know why. I'm not gonna be like, oh, it's because I had a bad year or something. I just ate more kebabs and ate more ice cream. And I also didn't exercise consistently. So I am going to do my best to eat less sugary things, eat less kebabs, and just exercise more. So I already made it to the first station. So I'm looking at the map right now, and there's only 3 stations left until Waseda. I think I'm gonna walk 1 to 2 more stations till I get on, because I just want to ride the train at the end. There's the train crossing you can enjoy. I'm at a bridge right now, and I don't know where the train lines went. It doesn't seem to be anywhere on the streets. It's over here. What the heck? How do I get there? How do I go down? There's no stairs that'll take me down there. So I was looking around and I found stairs over here. So I have to cross the road to the other side of the bridge, go down these stairs, and then take a U-turn back to where I just saw. I wanted to cross the road so I can see the train from this side, but it seems like the next place I can cross is that bridge all over there. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, I'm finally here. Alright, now since I'm finally walking alongside the street train tracks, I'm gonna walk to the next station and get on that train until the last stop. Well, unfortunately, I thought a street train was gonna pass by as I was walking. That didn't happen. And now the street train is practicing social distancing against me, so we're very far apart now. Now there's finally one. I see the next train station. Here at Omoide. It sounds like Hokagebashi. This happened to be the second to the last train station, and then the next one, which is the 30th one, the last one, is Waseda. As you can see, no one is at this train station because why would they get on here just to get off the next train station? So the station is kind of narrow, just one step away from falling down and looking like a complete head ass. So just be careful if you happen to take these trains. So I'm here at Waseda, which is the last train station of this line. I don't know if you can tell, but I had a lot of fun. I would like to ride this again off camera just for fun. And I'll definitely use this one-day pass because being able to get on and off as much as you want for 400 yen is absolutely worth it. Alright, so that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The YouTube algorithm thinks you'll like this video as well, so feel free to check it out if you want. Alright, bye bye.